Good morning, class 7th. Today we are going to start our algebra portion and we are going to start with chapter number 11, Fundamental Concepts, including fundamental operations. Okay, constants and variables. In arithmetic, we use digits, children 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, each of which has a fixed value. These values have a these digits have a fixed value. So these digits and the numbers formed by these digits, children, are called your constants. Whereas in algebra, children, we use letters of English alphabet. Okay, which can be assigned any value. We can give them any value according to the requirement. So the letters used in algebra are called variables. You have also studied this thing in class 6 also. Remember? So these numbers, they have got a fixed value. They are called your constants, and the English alphabets, okay, they are your variables. Now first thing, a combination of two or more than two constants is always a constant. If you combine two constants or more than two constants, then also it will give you a constant only. For example, 3 plus 8, constant, answer is 11, that is also a constant. 3 minus 8, 8 minus 3, 8 divided by 3, 3 divided by 8, 83, 38, whatever is also a constant. Similarly, 5 is a constant, 3 is a constant, 2 is a constant. So each of, like this is given, 5 into 3 divided by 2, 3 divided by 5 into 2, whatever the answer will come after solving these, that will also be a what? Constant. Okay, second thing comes, a combination of two or more variables is also a variable. Now x is a variable, y is a variable, and z is also a variable. Now a combination of two or more variables, suppose x plus y minus z, or x minus yz, x minus y plus z, all of them are also what? Variables. This combination is also a variable. A combination of one or more constants and one or more variables is also a variable. Now if you combine one or more constant along with variable, then that will also form a variable. Suppose 6 is a constant, x is a variable, and you are adding them, 6 plus x. Now this thing is what? It is also a variable. Now second things come, term. A term is a number, a variable, or a combination. A combination can be of product or quotient of numbers and variables. Now if there is a number, there is a variable, or there is a combination, of numbers and variables, then that is called a term. 5 is a term, 3a is a term, x is a term, 4x upon 3y is a term. Now next come algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is a collection of one or more terms. Collection of one or more terms which are separated from each other by addition or subtraction. They are separated by with the help of addition or of subtraction signs. Now 4x, 3xy minus 7, a plus 2b, like this they are given. They are your algebraic expression. Okay, an algebraic expression is a collection of one or more terms which are separated from each other by addition or subtraction signs. Only plus and minus signs separate the terms. Only, children, plus and minus signs separate the terms, whereas the product and division do not separate the terms. Please underline this thing. Product and division do not separate the terms. For example, the expression 3x plus 4y, how many terms there are? Has two terms. Expression 3x minus 4y, how many terms? Two terms. 1, 2. They are separating. Now here 3x into 4y or 3x divided by 4y. It is only one term. They are not separated. It will be taken as only one term. I hope this much is clear to you. Further we will study in our next video. Thank you.